Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosemary McKinnon from IG Wealth Management. I'm a certified financial planner and a registered life planner. Today we're going to continue with my Sudden Wealth, Sudden Money series. And today we're going to talk about death of a spouse. This is going to be a hard one. But it's important. I think that that we talk about it and really dig into what happens when you receive financial capital and financial wealth as a result of the death of your spouse, of your partner. It's not an easy thing to think about, and unfortunately, it happens. I've seen it in my practice, and it's very difficult. So we're going to talk it out a little bit today. And so what I've seen in my experience is, we don't always know if the person is going to pass away. It can be, due to an illness, and that there is some knowing ahead of time, so people have time to prepare for that. And then sometimes it's absolutely sudden and unexpected, and it can be very shocking and just so tragic and difficult to endure and to go through that. So, when you're in that headspace, when you've lost your life partner, your person, and now you have so many financial decisions to make as you're coping with the grief and the loss of your partner, of your spouse. It's an absolutely terrible time. There's no sugarcoating it. But I know that what I have always done for clients that have been in that position is to just sit with them, just be with them. Again, I think it takes a bit of time to even come to terms with it, to wrap your head around it. Again, it depends on the circumstances, but at first, it's my role and my position is just to say, I've got you. I'm here, and we're going to get through this, and we're going to get through it together. That's my first role of what I do when there's a loss. And then the next thing to consider is, the financial decisions and the financial issues that will come about. So say, for example, there'll be, settlement of financial accounts. First off, your banking. Your bank accounts, your investment accounts, your savings, your long-term retirement savings. Did your spouse have a pension where they worked? There could be a pension, RRSPs, investment assets that will transfer to you. Hopefully, you are the beneficiary of your partner's assets. So those things will come to you directly and bypass the estate. There's also life insurance policies. And if you did a good financial plan and you made sure to have that security, that if one of you were to pass away before your mortgage was paid off, or before you reached retirement age and you were still in that dependency period, that you're still raising children, life insurance can make a huge difference in your life and how you get through the next months and years of your life. So yeah, there's life insurance to settle. There's the legal documents, and just so much to have to address. And then there's the responsibility that, again, depending on what role you played, you're now having to take care of finances all on your own. So it's a really, really difficult time, but it doesn't have to be as difficult when you have someone that you trust and that you know has got your back and is going to be there for you in the days, weeks, and months ahead as you transition into this new time of your life that you weren't planning for, that you didn't expect, but now that it's here, hopefully you did make some contingency in your financial plan so that your heart may be suffering from the loss, but you don't have to suffer any financial consequences or worries because of it. So I think that's it for that topic. As I said, it can be a difficult time, but when you have help and you have someone there to help and guide you through it, it can be a little bit easier. Okay, so if you know of someone that's going through this, or you need help yourself personally, please reach out. I'm always here to help. Thanks so much.